Looking to keep your outdoor gatherings warm and cozy? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best outdoor heater propane models, deliver reliable heat, perfect for chilly evenings on the patio or deck. Let's explore top options that combine style, efficiency, and dependable performance. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. East Oak 50,000 BTU. If you're searching for a reliable and stylish heating solution for your outdoor gatherings, the East Oak 50,000 BTU patio heater is an outstanding choice. This propane-powered outdoor heater pumps out an impressive 50,000 BTUs of heat, warming an 18-foot diameter area, making it perfect for patios, balconies, gardens, and even poolside lounging. It's also ETL certified, so you can trust its safety and performance in both residential and commercial environments. One of the standout features is its double-layer heating mesh made from high-quality 304 stainless steel. This not only ensures durability, but also extends the life of the heater by up to 20% compared to traditional single-layer mesh heaters. Safety is another top priority for East Oak, evident in its built-in tip-over protection system, which automatically shuts off the flame if the heater is tilted more than 45 degrees. Additionally, a flame-out protection feature turns off the gas supply if the flame is extinguished, giving users extra peace of mind. The heater also includes a patented round table design on top of the propane tank cover, which doubles as a convenient spot for placing drinks, snacks, or small items while you stay warm. The thoughtful design continues with a handy hole in the barrel, allowing easy access to turn off the heater without opening the entire unit. Starting this heater is a breeze with its one-touch ignition system, firing up the warmth in under 5 seconds. The adjustable heat control knob lets you easily customize the temperature to your preference, making this model both user-friendly and highly effective.
Number 2. Amazon 46,000 BTU. The Amazon 46,000 BTU outdoor gas heater delivers dependable, cozy warmth ideal for patios, restaurants, and backyard get-togethers. This propane heater efficiently warms a 9-foot radius, offering a toasty atmosphere on cool evenings. Designed with user convenience in mind, it features a one-touch ignition button that ensures quick and hassle-free startups. Thanks to the built-in wheels, you can easily maneuver this heater to your desired location without any heavy lifting. Safety is a clear focus here, with a tilt auto shutoff valve that automatically cuts the flame if the heater is tipped over. A water box is included for added stability, and a chain secures the propane tank safely in place. The adjustable temperature knob gives you full control over the heat output, allowing you to tailor the warmth to your preference. Constructed with durability in mind, this heater boasts a powder-coated slate gray finish, ensuring it holds up well against the elements while maintaining a sleek appearance. Its generous 46,000 BTU output makes it a solid choice for small to medium-sized outdoor spaces. Operating with a 20-pound liquid propane gas tank, this heater combines power and practicality. Its overall dimensions of 32.1 by 32.1 by 91.3 inches offer a sturdy presence without overwhelming your patio or deck. Ideal for both residential and commercial settings, this Amazon propane heater blends performance, safety, and style seamlessly.
Number 3. Cuisinart Coh 500. The Cuisinart Coh 500 propane heater is a compact yet powerful heating solution that's perfect for outdoor patios, campsites, and tailgating events. With a heat output of 11,000 BTUs, this portable heater efficiently warms areas up to 100 square feet, making it an excellent option for intimate gatherings and small outdoor spaces. Its top-mounted reflector plate distributes heat evenly, ensuring a consistent and comfortable warmth throughout the area. Safety is built into every aspect of the Coh 500, featuring an anti-tilt automatic shutoff mechanism that cuts power immediately if the unit tips over. A burner screen guard adds another layer of protection, preventing accidental contact with the heating element. Compact and lightweight, this propane heater is designed for portability and versatility. It can be placed conveniently on tables or other flat surfaces, providing instant heat wherever you need it. A standout feature is its ability to operate using a standard 1-pound propane tank for quick portable warmth, or for extended use, connect to a 20-pound propane tank using an optional hose and regulator. This makes it incredibly adaptable for both short and long outdoor sessions. The COH500 is remarkably easy to use, with simple controls for ignition and temperature adjustment. It offers reliable, even heating without the bulkiness of larger patio heaters.
Number 4. Mrheater Mh540T. The Mrheater Mh540T propane heater offers a practical and versatile heating solution for outdoor enthusiasts, job sites, and backyard gatherings. This heater features adjustable heat levels with 3 settings: 45,000, 36,000, and 30,000 BTUs, giving you the flexibility to set the warmth exactly how you like it. Its 360-degree burner combined with a 180-degree swivel bracket ensures radiant heat coverage in all directions, efficiently warming people and objects within its range. Safety is a major strength of the Mh540T, thanks to a built-in tip-over shutoff system. This mechanism automatically turns the heater off if it's knocked over, adding valuable peace of mind for users in active or windy environments. The heater's soft nose POL connection provides a secure, leak-free seal between the propane tank and the heater, ensuring dependable operation. Starting the heater is straightforward with its push-button TE valve, delivering quick, reliable ignition. As a backup, it can also be manually lit using a match, offering extra flexibility in varying conditions. Constructed for durability, the Mh540T is designed to withstand outdoor conditions and frequent transport, making it suitable for tailgating, campsites, workshops, and patios alike.
Number 5. California Air 8010A. The California Air 8010A propane patio heater is a versatile and powerful outdoor heating solution perfect for extending your outdoor gatherings well into cooler seasons. With a robust 50,000 BTU output, it effectively warms larger outdoor areas, reducing the need for multiple heaters. This makes it ideal for cafes, restaurants, terraces, patios, and home gardens alike. The heater's radiant heat mimics the cozy, consistent warmth of a fire, creating a welcoming ambiance that encourages relaxation and conversation. Constructed with premium-grade heavy-duty stainless steel, this heater offers lasting durability and is built to endure the elements. The sturdy body not only enhances longevity, but also maintains a polished, attractive appearance over time. Safety is a top priority, with a stable base and reliable flame control ensuring secure operation during use. The heater is easy to assemble and simple to operate, requiring a 20-pound propane tank to fuel its impressive heat output. It also features an adjustable heat control system, letting you fine-tune the warmth to suit your comfort level.